how to fix your Canon Maxify GX3020 printer that is printing the blurry text. If the text is not clear, then you can follow this video. Go to the printer display panel. On the control panel, click on the maintenance, scroll down, select print head alignment, click yes and press OK. Automatically it will align the print heads and improve the print quality. So this is the automatic print head alignment and we don't have to do anything else. Press OK, click on the home button, and now we can start using this printer for printing. This will make the text clear and there won't be any blurry effect on the photos or the text. Thanks for watching.